Friday, 11 July 2025, about 7:18 a.m. This is a documentary video of a newly rebuilt children's playground plus fitness corner for Lentor Green Estate. I noticed that the government has done away with the traditional swings, replacing it with this one, and they have brightened the slides, and overall the playground, as you can see, they're all new, about maybe 3 months ago, completed 3 months ago, and all brand new. Lentor Green Park. The fitness corner is always next to the playground. In this case, this is the fitness corner with exercise machines for the adults, usually the seniors. But it's overcast. I think the storm clouds are rolling in. It can't hold the water, the rain, so I shall be going off. This video is to give a typical example of a renewed, reconstructed park. It's called the Lentor Green Park, with a fitness corner here, and overall the playground more for the children, although the estate is quite an old estate, and there are few children, unless the younger generation lives with the residents here. The residents are usually aged, and they have been here for at least 50 years or so. You can see one of the seniors doing the exercise. This is probably the young couple exercising the dog. Now, dogs are not cheap as well. It costs a few $1,000s. This is the Inu. And of course, there is the little boy having his exercise on the playground. Shall stop now. It's going to rain soon. You can hear the sound.